Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we discussed about the missiles which were unveiled by Iran on August 20, 2020. The missiles which were unveiled were Hajj Qasem ballistic missile and another cruise missile which was named as Abu Mahdi. These two new missiles were named after the top Iranian general Qasem Soleimani and Iraqi military leader who was Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis, who were killed outside Baghdad's international airport in a US strike in January. According to Defense Minister Amir Hatami, the ballistic missile had a range of 1,400 kilometers and the new cruise missile had a range of 1,000 kilometers. So that was a quick recap and update on the two missiles which were unveiled ahead of Iran's National Defense Industry Day. Now coming back to the missile tests which were done by Iran, on January 16, 2021, Iran's Revolutionary Guard test-fired ballistic missiles against a simulated target in the Indian Ocean. As per the defense sources, it is said that these missiles were fired from the central Iran. The long-range missiles have a range of around 1,800 km and are capable of hitting moving targets in the ocean. The missile targets were located in the Gulf of Oman and northern Indian Ocean. We know that tensions arose last year after Iran fired missiles at two military air bases housing United States troops in Iraq as a response to the killing of Iranian General Qasem Soleimani in Baghdad. Iranian Major General Soleimani, who was Iran's most powerful security and intelligence commander in the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, was killed by American drone attack near Baghdad airport early Friday, January 3, 2020. As a return grudge, Iran fired a number of missiles at two Iraqi bases housing the United States troops, and this attack happened between 1:45 a.m. and 2:45 a.m. local time, during which Iran launched more than a dozen missiles at the Al-Hasad air base, which houses the United States troops. Not just missiles, Iran has been quietly building up the arsenal of locally produced drones that it is exporting to its allies in the region and testing against enemies in Iraq, Israel, and Saudi Arabia. The United States President-elect Joe Biden, who takes office on 20th January, has said that the United States will rejoin the nuclear deal if Iran resumes strict compliance with the agreement that imposed the tight curbs on its nuclear activity in return for lifting of sanctions. So it looks like every country has their own way of test firing the missiles and they have their own intention. Let us hope Iran solves the conflicts with the United States as soon as possible and let the region return to normalcy. So that was a quick update on the Iran test firing the long-range ballistic missiles on January 16, 2021. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.